What's up, guys? Okay, it's me again. And then, like ang sinasabi ko, another day, another box. So, for today's video, we're going to unbox NBA Hoops 2004 and 2024-25 Hobby Blaster. Okay, so it's composed of 90 cards and 6 new optic chrome base premium. So retail exclusive autographs for some of the game grades. So meron din blaster exclusive na scoop parallels. Ito yung mga number cards. So each card or each box is composed of 6 packs, and each box is meron siya 15 cards. So tara, buksan natin. Guys, so tingnan natin. Alam niyo naman to, maganda raw tong NBA Hoops na blaster box, pero alam naman natin na hindi ganun kabongga or kagaganda yung bigay or yung value ng each card. So first pack, si ba to? Wiggins, and then may insert tayo from the legend Larry Bird, and then rookie cards Perfy, Vassell, Şengün, Lowry. Bibilisan na lang natin, marami tayo. And then sa arriving soon, insert JT20, and frequent flyers is Steph Curry. Then meron tayo, walang tawag dito, scoop ba to? Hindi siya, but I think it's a number card out of 99. Okay, so tabi natin to. Tabi natin ang rookie card. Ito si Rob Dillingham, rookie. Ang sa'yo, Joe. Sino yan? Okay. Isa natin. Request ng ating kaibigang si Sita. May Irving tayo. Ano kaya itong nakatalikod nito? So parallel siya ng frequent flyers. And then we got Stephon Castle on the base. And then Devin Booker. Silver ba to? But not numbered. Igay lang natin dyan. Rookie. Ito meron akong autograph niyan, Prism.